Hey guys, welcome to Token Red Fox. Today I'm gonna show you runner green beans and minced beef stew. Let's get to it. Chop 1 medium onion, fry it with 500 grams of minced beef. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and sear the meat. Put it into your slow cooker. You can use pressure cooker or just cook it in a big pot on the stove. Add 1 teaspoon of paprika flakes, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of cumin, 2 tablespoons of molasses. You can omit it if you don't have any. Four tablespoons of tomato puree, bay leaf, and 300 milliliters of broth or stock. I usually use veggie or chicken. Give it a mix. Add 1 400 grams tin of chopped tomatoes, four cloves of garlic, and 500 grams of frozen green beans and mix it up. I cook it in a slow cooker for approximately 8 hours on a high heat and maybe 4 to 5 hours if it's split beans. If you cook it on a stove, you have to mix it occasionally and cook it till the beans are soft and tender, depends on what you prefer. It can take around an hour or 2 hours. And that's it, enjoy!